Okay, the other video just cut me off, so I have to do this all over again. Anyways, so we have the veranda. Blah, 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 blah. Ocean, yes. Jen is everywhere. Bed. That's the room. That's the other room. And you know, the whatever you call it. You didn't see the bathroom, but it's not all that glamorous, so you know, stuff. Living room, stairs.
Precarious.
Hey, that's my word. She stole my word. Kitchen, table, outsideness, and Jenny is she's like a clown. She can follow me around. Okay, so we're about to leave.
What's the secret room?
Oh, the secret room. We have to go though, because we're gonna miss our train. That's the secret room. And that's the light. And there's Jen. We see Jen walking away. Okay, so we have to clean up. Blah, 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 blah. Sure.
You have to do all the talking?
Yes, I have to do all the talking, but cleaning up. I have to get this. And la 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 la. La la la.
Clean up, everybody, everywhere. Clean up, clean up.
And I got my sunglasses. Yeah, it's not that cool.
Are we taking the koala school thing?
No, it's for people. And well, now we're going downstairs. Be careful, you watch your steps. Oh, and now we gotta get our luggage.
Oh, we're leaving.
Yeah, we're actually leaving now.
I'm gonna make sure I have everything.
Yes, Jen, make sure you have everything.
Okay.
Door.
Bye, house.
Mommy, you have to close the door with the keys.
Do we need the keys?
You know what sucks? Is that we have to take these bags down
50 stairs.
down all those stairs. I'll be strong.
Show me your
Oh yeah! You see, I got this bracelet thing. Okay, and every time I flex, it like bulges out of it. Anyways, sorry, I'm not a normal person. I don't like to do that sort of girly things, even though I paint my nails. There's the elevator, but see, there is no elevator. It's just a shaft. They hide the dead bodies down there. No, don't worry. They don't actually do that. Yeah. This is awkward. Okay, so we're gonna say bye. We might do a video on the train. If not, like we didn't do one in the cafe. But bye.